this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the line and the markers in a line graph in Excel. So I have this table here. So I have the month, right, from May until November. So let's say this is a table about switch upgrade progress. So these are the ones that are completed per month, and this is the target. So number of switches that we need to upgrade. Okay, so I'm going to just insert a line graph using this table, and I can do this by highlighting the table or the range, and then go to insert, recommended charts, and then all charts, and I can select line, but I'm going to select combo because I can specifically say that the completed data is, let's say this is a line with markers and the target is just line, and I'm okay with this, so I can just click OK, and I have the line graph here. Okay, so how do we customize the line and the markers? So we can do it by right clicking on the line itself and then click format data series, and then click the fill in line icon, and then in the line section you can choose the color that you want. So in my case, I'm going to select this color, light blue, and I'm okay with that setting. And I don't have to, we can see that there's no markers or marker, so it's, none is selected because I don't want markers in this line. Okay, so the next line, I'm going to just right click on it and select data series and click this icon here, fill in line, and then I can say that the color of the line is, let's say, orange. Yeah, orange. And the marker, I want it to be red and no border, so no line. Okay, so this is how you can customize the line and the line with marker. And of course, I can further customize this by setting a data label. So I just this line here. So I can say data label is above, and then I can also say that the title of this chart is switch upgrade progress. Okay, so yeah, so this is the graph, the line graph that I wanted to show you, and how you can customize the line and the marker in a line graph. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.